Laboratory 5. Problem Ergonomics for Housekeeping Staff. Introduction. Housekeeping staff play a crucial role in maintaining cleanliness in other hotels, hospitals, and other facilities. However, many staff members experience physical discomfort, especially back pain and fatigue, due to the demanding nature of their work. Tasks such as cleaning rooms, carrying heavy supply, and monitoring equipment can be physically taxing, particularly when the workspace and tools are not ergonomic design. This problem is becoming more noticeable with increased effort and physical strain among housekeeping employees. The need for solutions that reduce physical stress while improving productivity and employee health is essential.
So, problem analysis. Housekeeping staff are complaining of back pain and tiredness because the current cleaning equipment and workspace are not designed for comfort. The cleaning carts are hard to push, and supplies are stored in places that require bending or lifting, which causes strain on their bodies.
Laboratory 5 Problem Solution. Better carts make cart easier, push and adjust the height to avoid bending storage design, storage supplies at waist level to prevent bending and reaching. Lightweight tools provide lightweight and easy to use cleaning tools like mops and vacuums to reduce strain. Training teach staff how to lift and move correctly to avoid injury.
Lab 5 Economic Equipment. Ergonomic cleaning carts, adjustable carts that are easy to push and hold. Estimated cost is $100 to $150 each. Lightweight cleaning tools. Tools with adjustable handles and easy grips. Estimated cost is $30 to $50 each. Better storage solution. Shelves and bins placed at comfortable heights. Estimate cost is $150 to $200 per area.
So, implementation plan. So, research and choices. So, equipment the kitchen should first research the best food processor, vegetable choppers, and slicers and fit their needs, their budget. So, test equipment pilot use for the few machine as the short period to see if they improve speed and recruit the strain. So, adjust the workstation. So, designate an area in the kitchen for chopping and adjust the surface. They are at the right height. Consider adjustable height. Concerns are the workstation. So third, train staff teach a chef how they use the equipment and encourage them to retain the task and avoid rep- repetitive movement. So, monitoring and adjust. So, regularly monitor staff feedback to identify and feeders improvement and adjust the plan accordingly.